Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to bleed your Jeep Grand Cherokee cooling system. First, always ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns and ensure proper system function. Next, locate both the radiator cap and the coolant reservoir. You'll also want to gather your tools, including a clean funnel and the correct type of fresh coolant for your vehicle. This preparation is key for a smooth process. Once prepared, carefully open the radiator cap and begin filling the system with the appropriate coolant. Fill slowly to avoid air pockets. After filling, start your Jeep's engine and immediately set the cabin heater to its maximum temperature and fan speed. This helps open the heater core, allowing coolant to circulate through that part of the system. Let the engine run until it reaches its normal operating temperature. As the engine warms, keep a close eye on the coolant level in the radiator and reservoir, adding more as necessary to maintain the fill line. Periodically, gently squeeze the upper and lower radiator hoses. This action helps dislodge any trapped air bubbles within the system. You should see bubbles rising and escaping through the radiator opening, indicating air is being purged. Continue this until no more bubbles appear. Once you've purged all the air, replace the radiator cap securely and ensure the coolant reservoir is filled to the correct mark. Take your Jeep for a short drive, then allow it to cool completely before rechecking the coolant levels one last time. Top off if needed. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Regular cooling system maintenance is vital for your vehicle's longevity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.